Building confidence takes time. Confidence and self-esteem do not change overnight. They are built through consistent effort, self-awareness, and patience.
Progress may be slow at times, but every small step matters.
The key is persistence and kindness toward yourself during the journey. Understanding confidence and self-esteem. Although often used interchangeably, confidence and self-esteem are slightly different.
Self-esteem is how you value yourself internally, your sense of self-worth and belief that you matter. Confidence is your belief in your abilities to handle situations, make decisions, and achieve goals.
Healthy self-esteem fuels confidence, and confident actions reinforce self-esteem.
Together, they create a positive cycle of personal growth. Why confidence and self-esteem matter? Building confidence and self-esteem can positively impact every area of life. Better decision-making and reduced fear of failure.
Stronger relationships and clearer communication. Improved mental health, reducing anxiety and self-doubt. Greater motivation to pursue goals and embrace new opportunities. People with healthy self-belief are more resilient and better equipped to navigate setbacks. Common barriers to self-confidence. Several factors can weaken confidence and self-esteem, including
negative self-talk and constant self-criticism,
fear of failure or rejection, comparing yourself to others, especially on social media,
past failures or discouraging experiences,
unrealistic expectations and perfectionism. Recognizing these barriers is the first step toward overcoming them.
Practical strategies to build confidence and self-esteem. 1. Develop positive self-talk.
Pay attention to your inner dialogue. Replace harsh self-criticism with realistic and encouraging thoughts. Speak to yourself as you would to a close friend. 2. Set achievable goals.
Break large goals into smaller, manageable steps.
Each accomplishment, no matter how small, reinforces a sense of capability and progress. 3. Focus on strengths, not just weaknesses. Everyone has unique abilities.
Identify your strengths and actively use them in daily life to build confidence through action.
4. Learn from failure instead of fearing it. Mistakes are part of growth. Instead of seeing failure as a reflection of your worth, view it as feedback and an opportunity to improve. 5. Practice self-care. Physical health, proper rest, and emotional balance play a crucial role in self-esteem.
When you care for your body and mind, confidence naturally increases.
6. Improve body language.
Standing tall, making eye contact, and speaking clearly can instantly boost confidence.
Body language not only affects how others see you but also how you feel about yourself. 7. Surround yourself with positive influences. Supportive and encouraging people can strengthen your self-belief, while constant negativity can weaken it. Choose your environment wisely.
Building confidence and self-esteem, a practical guide to personal growth. Confidence and self-esteem are essential foundations for a fulfilling and successful life. They influence how we think, how we interact with others, and how we handle challenges. While some people appear naturally confident, the truth is that confidence and self-esteem are skills that can be developed over time with awareness, practice, and persistence.
Building confidence takes time. Confidence and self-esteem do not change overnight. They are built through consistent effort, self-awareness, and patience.
Progress may be slow at times, but every small step matters.
The key is persistence and kindness toward yourself during the journey. Conclusion.
Building confidence and self-esteem is one of the most valuable investments you can make in yourself. By challenging negative thoughts, embracing growth, and taking purposeful action, you can develop a strong sense of self-worth and belief in your abilities.
Confidence is not about being perfect, it's about trusting yourself, even when things are uncertain. With time and practice, confidence becomes not just something you feel, but a way you live.